Hi, boys and girls. We are going to do some detective work, so I need you guys to put your detective hats on because I have some help that I need with our main topic, school in Japan. So if you want to make sure you have the text, you can find one in the tub, and the title of the page will say Misaki. So it's page 16 and 17, and the title says Misaki. And when I looked at that page, I knew that my main topic would be school in Japan. Now, the reason I need you guys to have your detective hats on is because I saw some unknown words on these pages. And I need us to be detectives to figure out what these unknown words really mean. So if we look here at number 1, I'm going to read this part from the text, and we're going to circle what we think that unknown word means. Number 1 says, they had prepared it themselves in the cafeteria. That's when they were talking about the preparing things. So if we think they had prepared it themselves in the cafeteria, what would the meaning of the word prepared be? Does prepared mean they got ready, or they made food, or they cleaned? What would they be doing if they prepared it in the cafeteria? They got ready in the cafeteria, they made food, or they cleaned. Number 2, at school, the principal greeted everyone and gave a speech about safety. What is the meaning of the word greeted in this sentence? Does greeted mean said hello, said be safe, or shook their hands? At school, the principal greeted everyone and gave a speech about safety. What does this word greeted mean? Said hello, said be safe, or shook their hands? Number 3, each child carries a randosuru, or backpack that has their pencil cases, notebooks, and other items. What do we think the word randosuru means? Each child carries a randosuru, or backpack, that has their pencil cases, notebooks, and other items. What does this Japanese word mean? Go ahead and write it here on the line what that means. And number 4, the children studied Japanese word pictures called kanji. Children learn how to write more than 1,000 kanji while they are in elementary school. What do we think the word, oops, I made a mistake. What do we think the word kanji means? Let's read it again. The children studied Japanese word pictures called kanji. And children learn to write more than 1,000 kanji while they're in elementary school. What could kanji mean? Go ahead and write it on the line. Good luck, boys and girls.